Well, salutations, fellow pool enthusiasts. It's Josh Mall, the voice for Swimming Pool Science. And, you know, I'm working on some videos. We're gathering footage. We're getting things together. We are editing. We are crunching stuff. So we got another bank of videos coming your way. But in the meantime, I thought I would share this crazy stories about one of my colleagues here in Arizona. And man, what a wild ride this guy's had. A guy by the name of Jason Cobb with Infamous Pool Care. They take care of pools in Cave Creek, Carefree, Rio Verde, North Scottsdale. Kind of the northern end of the Valley of the Sun here. My buddy Jason drives an 84 two-wheel drive Toyota long bed pickup, the little two-wheel drive thing. Yep, that's right. And I know some of you old schoolers can picture it. Great little truck. Toyotas were indestructible back in those days. Pretty cool stuff. Well, we had a huge storm about a week and a half ago, which would have been late September 2019, and we got, well, just about all of our monsoon storms all in one day. It was pretty crazy. Up in the northern parts of the Phoenix area, we saw up to 3 inches of rain, which is just incredible. I mean, it's a lot when you got the sun-baked dry ground that's been cooking all summer. Because we had zero monsoon, man, that water doesn't soak in. It just runs right over the top, and we get floods all over the place. And I'm talking flash floods like you see on YouTube. So those things really happen. So check this out. My man Jason, he's out doing his route. He's trying to get through the weather and kind of pass through the storm cells and get his route done like we all try and do on days like that when the rain is out there and it's scattered showers. Driving through a rainstorm, and all of a sudden, man, the water's just coming over the windshield. He doesn't know what's going on, and then the truck stops. And then the water starts coming in the doors. And he pokes his head out and he looks, and he is just pulled what we call a stupid motorist move here in Arizona. We have a law called the stupid motorist law, where if you happen to drive your vehicle through a road that's flooded or in the middle of a wash, and you get stranded and you have to be rescued, you got to pay for that bill yourself. You got to foot that all by yourself, the fire department, the helicopter, whatever you might need to get rescued, whatever your life is worth to you. Fortunately, after a while, Jason was able to get his truck up and running and moving, but you know what? Not before the news channel and the fire department showed up. So here we are, we're doing our thing. I'm working in the office, and I look on the news, and there is Jason in that tan 84 Toyota two-wheel drive, 6-foot long bed pickup truck, standing in the back of his truck, surrounded by water, his chemicals in there. And, you know, I don't know what Jason was thinking, but if that were me, I would have started to clean that water up, man. It was pretty cloudy water. He had plenty of chemicals to do that, but he didn't do that. And he eventually got the truck out. He got interviewed by the news. He let the truck dry out, and man, that old Toyota fired right back up, and he was back on the road. So, you know, that went around, and I got to watch that firsthand. It was really fun. We got a great group of guys on Facebook called the AZ Pool Techs. Really knowledgeable, honest group of people. We like to razz each other, we share ideas, we educate each other, and we hold each other accountable. So pretty great group. But of course, the posts started showing up there of Captain Cobb on the news channel, and, you know, hey, who knows this guy? And oh my gosh, that's my guy Jason. Boy, is he going to get it from me? That's what his boss was saying. Pretty funny stuff. Glad he was okay, but he got a serious razzing. It was pretty funny. You know, so, and he was pretty rattled after that. It was a pretty shaky deal, but he got right back out the next day and got back at it, and he promptly got broadsided by a semi-truck. You know, by now we had all seen this truck, and we were rooting for this truck. It was the underdog. It had been nicknamed Buttercup, and here it is with the whole passenger side caved in. Fortunately, Jason came away without a scratch, and once again, this Toyota drove off without a problem. These old Toyotas are indestructible. They just last and last and last. And if you've ever seen the episodes of Top Gear where they try and destroy a Toyota pickup truck, they put it on top of a building that's about to be demolished. They park it out on the beach during low tide and let the tide come in. They dropped it out of an airplane. And these old Toyota trucks, man, they just fire up, and nothing can stop these things. So, of course, Captain Cobb's nickname changed after only 24 hours, and his new nickname is then Captain Crunch. So it's been a rough couple days for Jason, and that all kind of happened last week, and he was out doing his route today, and the transmission promptly blew up on him. So now poor Buttercup is shot, and the AZ Pool Techs are getting together and trying to get this truck back together. They are trying to save the truck, this little 84 Toyota, the Buttercup. It is legendary. It is infamous. an infamous truck for infamous pool service, and it is well known around the North Valley cities like Cave Creek and Carefree and all those places. So we're trying to raise some money for him. We got a Venmo account. It's at Captain Cobb, where we can all donate, and I've donated some money and a lot of other people have, and we're going to try and get this old girl back up and running, because it really is just a great little truck, and it's really a symbol of the Arizona pool guy and our vehicles and what we use to get around. So if you want to donate, you can do that by donating on Venmo at Captain Cobb, and those proceeds will go to getting that truck back together and to the AZ Pool Techs. And let me tell you, the AZ Pool Techs, it is an incredible group of professionals. We have a lot of guys from a lot of places, and we hold each other accountable. We educate each other. We ask questions, and it's become really something amazing. It is an incredible group of people, and no one has to be afraid to ask a question they don't know. You know, as pool professionals, there's always one little simple thing that we don't know, and there we don't have to be afraid to ask. Someone's going to help us out. We might get a little razzing, and that's okay, but it's become this amazing network of trusted, honest professionals that do quality work, and we all just look after each other and hold each other accountable. Now, you can't join this Facebook group unless you are a pool professional in Arizona and you do good work. So you're welcome to try and join if you fit those criteria, and I encourage you to check that out over on Facebook. The group that you can join is the AZ Pool Techs community, where they're doing a lot of great stuff, so you can check that out there. The members of AZ Pool Techs are honest. They are held accountable. They are always learning, and they're always striving to deliver better and more knowledgeable service. So the question remains, how the heck are you going to know if a pool guy is in the AZ Pool Techs group? How are you going to know if you're getting a quality service guy coming to your house or not? Well, you want to look for that sticker on the back of the truck. Usually we put them on the back windows of our trucks, and most of us have them. So I encourage you guys to check that out. And if you see somebody driving with that AZ Pool Tech sticker, or maybe they have it in the back of their truck and you're looking for pool service, man, grab their number. Who knows? Maybe it'll be me. Maybe it'll be Scott Arnold from Riviera Pools, or maybe it's going to be Greg Huber from A&A or somebody else. But you know that when you see that sticker, you're going to get quality pool service here in Phoenix. So guys, that's it for tonight. We got more videos coming your way, so stay tuned, stick around. Keep those subscriptions coming in. We are just on the verge of hitting 9,000. If we keep on pushing, we're going to be able to do some other great things. So I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. If you have any feedback for us, constructive feedback, we want to hear from you. We want to know what direction we should be going on our videos, so keep those coming in. And I encourage you guys to also share these videos, get them out there. Let's get those views going. We can't thank you guys enough, guys. I'm Josh Mall, the voice, and that's it for tonight, guys. Talk to you later.